Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Intel processor diagnostic tool. So let's get started. So just Google Intel processor diagnostic tool. You'll be getting the official link from intel.com. Click it and this is the latest version. If you scroll down, here we are having two .msi file. One is for 64-bit Windows and another one is for 32-bit Windows. So if you have 32-bit, you have to click it. I have 64-bit, so I will just select this one and read it through and click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. And the download will be getting started. The setup file is just 17 MB in size. So once it is done, open it and we'll be getting the setup. Click on next and next, agree and next. The installation will begin. Just be patient. Once it is installed, you'll be getting this. Click on close and in the desktop you'll be getting a shortcut like this. Open it, select yes, and if you open this, the testing will begin like this. So before launching the test, make sure that you're having all the other applications in the background closed. Only this testing thing should go on, and you'll be hearing the CPU fan so loud because it's testing all this stuff, right? And it just took around like few minutes, like couple of minutes, and everything has paused for me. As you can see here, we are having the test summary. In case if you get any errors, you will be getting that. If you want to start the test again, you can start it. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.